Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. So if you're interested, just keep watching. The ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe are chocolate protein powder, some almond milk, a banana, vanilla yogurt, and then I'm using PB2, which is powdered peanut butter, but you can certainly use regular peanut butter, just going to be higher in calories. So I'm just taking about 8 ounces of the almond milk, 1 banana, 1 container of the vanilla yogurt, a heaping tablespoon of that PB2 powder, and a scoop of the chocolate protein powder. Then you take about a cup of ice and you're going to blend this up. This is a good breakfast to have in the morning if you're in a hurry and you don't have time to cook anything. It's pretty healthy, and it's also a good snack, like mid-morning snack or afternoon snack. Sometimes I'll make this for the boys after school when they come home and they're starving. So here I'm just checking the consistency of it, and I noticed it's a little bit too watery, so I add a little bit more ice just to thicken it up. And this recipe yielded about 3 cups of the smoothie, so feel free to make more or less. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.